This cream is used to treat fungal skin infections such as ringworm, athlete's foot, and jock itch. It is also used to treat a skin condition known as pityriasis, which causes a lightening or darkening of the skin. The active ingredient, terbinafine, works by preventing the growth of fungus. For best results, apply a thin layer of the cream to the affected area once or twice a day, as directed by your doctor. It's important to continue using the cream for the full prescribed length of time, even if symptoms improve. When using jock itch cream, make sure to only apply it to the affected skin. Clean and dry the area before applying a thin layer of the cream once or twice a day as directed. Remember to wash your hands after applying, unless the treated area is on your hands. Avoid getting the cream in your eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina, and do not use it on your scalp or nails unless your doctor tells you to. The dosage and length of treatment will depend on the type of infection you have. It's important to use the cream regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. Keep using it for the full treatment period, even if your symptoms improve before then. If you're treating jock itch or ringworm, and your condition doesn't improve within 2 weeks, or if you're treating athlete's foot and it doesn't improve within 4 weeks, be sure to let your doctor know. If you experience burning, irritation, or itching at the application site, inform your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the potential side effects. Serious side effects are rare, but if you experience blistering, swelling, or oozing at the application site, contact your doctor immediately. A severe allergic reaction to this medication is rare, but seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed here. Before using jock itch cream, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to terbinafine or other antifungal medications. This cream may contain ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's important to discuss any potential risks with your pharmacist. If you have any health issues, it's essential to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this cream. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is absolutely necessary. Have a discussion with your doctor about the potential risks and benefits. It is unclear whether this cream passes into breast milk when applied to the skin. Other forms of this medication can pass into breast milk if taken orally. Before using this cream while breastfeeding, be sure to consult your doctor. When using jock itch cream, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's always best to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Only make changes to your medication dosage with the approval of your doctor. If this medicine is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone takes too much and experiences severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911. Otherwise, contact a poison control center immediately. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, contact your provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. If you're using this cream to treat athlete's foot, it's important to wear well-fitting, ventilated shoes and to change your shoes and socks at least once a day. If you're using the cream to treat pityriasis, keep in mind that it may take several months after treatment is completed for your natural skin color to return. If you forget to apply the cream at the scheduled time, apply it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, it's best to just wait and apply it then. Do not apply double the amount to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to store the jock itch cream at room temperature and avoid refrigeration. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of the cream by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless instructed. Properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper way to dispose of it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.